Okay, how can you use Python to move and then click using the mouse automatically? Well, let's have a look. First of all, I'm going to get IDLE for the editing. IDLE. Where is it? Okay. IDLE shell. So I need to open new file. Now I've already started this, so I'm just going to open some code. It's already done. Okay. Import Py2GUI. Print Py2GUI position. This gets the position that you want. So I want to click on a certain area, which is going to be in the middle there. So I'm leaving that open. So that's the code you need to get the position, the coordinates. So if I run this, I've got to run the module. I've got source must be saved to run. So, okay, then I put my cursor quickly where I want it. And it's given me these coordinates. X equals 666, that's sort of midway. And Y 254, that's down a bit, not quite midway. But it's where you can see that teddy bear. That's where I'm going to get the Python's going to get the cursor to automatically move over to that area. So what I need to do is X equals 666, Y equals 254, Py2GUI move to I missed out the Y. So that moves the cursor to that position. And then simply another line, Py2GUI and that's it. I'm just checking there if that's it. So that would move it over to that. I've printed position. So I think I'll take that line away. So import and now move to those locations. X equals this, Y equals this. Move to XY there and then click. So I'll probably have to save that again. Run module and save, and this should all happen automatically now. So I'm not touching the mouse, and move over to it and clicking on it, and it's going over to whatever that file was, websecure.com. Okay, that's going to help as I make a traffic bot. Move into locations, getting the cursor to move on its own, clicking where I need it. Okay, right, I'm moving this now, just coming out.